שאפשר לאהוב.
You know, can I just share that all of our guests have spoken about this, uh, the thing that this holiday, this Passover Seder question is bringing up for everyone is, and in all these conversations is about time and about the past. You know, the story is told about the past, but it's being told now. And so it's about both, and it's about the future. So it's like the conversation of all of time is now. It is just it's been in every single one of these sessions deeply. It's really
Yeah.
interesting.
It's I've been immersing myself in a field that I didn't know exists called the futures studies.
Mm.
And it's amazing to see how our conceptions of time have been, they're so counterproductive, and they stand in the way of us actually reaching the futures that we hope for. And the first thing to start from is stop saying the future as if it's there. And especially for in an occasion like this, where we are talking about an idea of of walking towards this fixed notion of better, which is Lashana Haba B'Yerushalayim Abnuya, and talking in futures in plural, like, because it's spatial, right? It's like this idea that it's multidimensional.
Yeah.
It's a multidimensional
Yeah.
hyper object. It's not a determined path that we just happen to not have walked yet. And it's mind-blowing because we can't really think of that, but then that's where hope comes from. Because there's always hope, always, because it's futures, because it's not a future. And then it becomes about like finding that, and find these findings happens through finding the next step, not necessarily
Right.
through a huge kind of a path that we set, and now we just need to stop imagining walk. No, the walk is the question. The walk is the imagination. The walk, it still requires direction. So there's room to imagine further, but it's a way of moving in the world. It's a way of moving in your mind. It's a way of moving with others. It's the closest thing that I got to being spiritual, I guess.